Take a look how to make a cuff. First, add the interfacing to the cuff. Take the pattern and place on the good side of the sleeve. Mark the length of the placket. Cut this length. With the help of the notches, pin the pleat and fix it by sewing. Make the bias tape. Measures 2.5 and 23 centimeters and pin it to the placket. Sew along. Here take some attention. You start the seam with 0.5 cm seam allowance, and at the corner of the placket it should be just 0.2 cm seam allowance, so the seam comes a bit diagonally. And then again you go back to 0.5 cm seam allowance. Trim the ends of bias tape. Fold another edge of the bias tape. With the fold you should cover the seam. Pin it. At the corner do not cover too much. The width of the bias tape should be even all along. Sew it along. Iron the sleeve. Fix the placket. Sew diagonally. It comes nice and pointy corner. Take the cuff and with the help of notches on cuff and the sleeve, pin it. Should leave some of the cuff at the beginning at the end. Join the details together. Fold the cuff at the notch, good side inside. And sew the ends of the cuff. Trim the corners of the seam allowance and turn it out. Another edge of the cuff, fold 1 cm and match the fold line with the seam. Pin it. The fold should cover the seam, but on another side, the pin should be at the side of the cuff. It cannot catch the cuff. Sew from the inside as close as you can to the edge. The button and its hole on the cuff, you can set the place as you wish. It depends how much hole you wish. We make 1 cm away from the side edge.